Alright, for this slide, it says second read. We're going to go back through the text and drag the highlighted boxes that are on the right of the screen to the major events of Martin Luther King Jr.'s life during the Civil Rights Movement. We're going to type the year and the event in the text boxes along the timeline. Alright, so let's go to slide 1. So the first thing we're going to do is look for years. Now, if you want to reread it by yourself, that is fine. If not, you can go ahead and click here and go back to the video and let me read it to you again. But keep in mind, we're going to keep looking for years. Now, I'll give you an example so you know what my expectations are. So it says, if I can get it to come. In 1955, Rosa Parks was arrested for not giving up her seat on a bus. So let's go back to slide 4. That was the first 1955. So the year was 1955. And Rosa Parks did not give up her bus seat. Okay, so you'll go through and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to find, and you'll highlight each of them. And keep in mind that they're not all on slide 1, they're on slide 2 and slide 3 as well. And as I said before, if you want to reread it back to yourself, that's fine. If you're sitting with mom or dad and they're going to help you, or a sibling's going to help you, that's fine as well. But if you need to listen to it again, there is no harm in that. You can click this and listen to it again, follow along, and find the years. Now, I know I might have said this before, and I know that there looks like there's a lot on all these slides, but we're going to take it one step at a time, and you're getting points for all of these things. So make sure you're taking your time and taking this assignment seriously.